All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. So we had a break-even day. I just took one short today. The short right here. Here are the executions. I actually really like this trade. Unfortunate break-even. We got edged pretty much, but it is what it is. So coming into the day today, I was initially leaning bullish. We had higher time frame draws above. We ended up taking them out initially, like before open, whatever, and we had taken out the data high. So from there, market opens up. We initially get this manipulation to the upside, and I really wanted to short because we had all this LR, we had the data low below, so I was willing to potentially short if we got nice displacement. So I was looking at this 30-second inverse right here. I was going to just take the 30-second close. I went for a split second to look at ES, and ES just started to dump. And at that point, we had tapped into a 15-minute bullish, so there was really nothing I could do there. Obviously, I didn't want to just FOMO in on this candle here. Like, that made no sense. And at that point, we were in a 15-minute bullish gap. So I wanted to see if we were going to trade lower and then look for continuations at this point towards the data low. So from there, price ends up moving lower, and we end up getting this 3-minute continuation. Now, normally, obviously, I prefer 5 minutes, but at this point, you can see we get this 3-minute tap. At the same time, ES was respecting a 3-minute as well. And the thing I liked here was that we were displacing aggressively. Now, genuinely, if you look at this right here, and you see this rejection coming off this 3-minute, are you still going to be bullish in the short term? No, you're probably assuming that we're coming towards data low. We're displacing aggressively. I'm not going to wait for a 5-minute if I see this clear 3-minute right here. So I took my entry on the 30-second inversion. If this would load, yeah, so I took this candle right here. So this was 938, 30-second inversion, literally just looking for the one-to-one. We start to push down. I'm assuming price is just going to flush at this point. We end up getting a really strong candle closure right here, and then the next candle rejects and starts to print lower. So I just went break even, thinking that we are going to flush. I think my stop loss was like, I literally got edged, so it was like something like this because I had my stop a bit smaller. It was literally like this because I was super close to TP. I don't know, but anyway, ended up getting oh no, it was like whatever it was, but anyway, I got break even on that. But I do think this was a good trade though, regardless. I do think it was a good break even. If you took that break even, I think it was good. Yeah, it was something like this. I don't remember my exact entry, but yeah, anyway, got break even on that, but I do think it was good. From there, price ends up coming up and tapping into a 5-minute. Now we actually do inverse this 5-minute to the upside, but I didn't even notice that, to be honest, and it's barely an inverse, so I'm not really looking at this as a bullish inverse. I still want to see price go lower at this point. So we tap this 5-minute right here, and we end up starting to displace down. Now, I was very close to shorting this. The only reason I didn't was because looking at ES, we could see that ES was still respecting this bullish gap, and we didn't really have much low resistance right here. So what I wanted to see was potential stop hunt and then look to target that newly generated sell side. But obviously, we don't end up getting that. This 1-minute ends up playing out pretty well. There was also a 3-minute, but I was going to take this 1-minute. But again, just ES, I wanted to see if we generate more. I think this actually might have been like I would have gone for this would have played out for sure. Yeah, for the one-to-one. Yeah, so that would have played out. So that sucks, but it is what it is. I do think this was a good trade again. Just being a bit hesitant because of ES, and then from there, honestly, we literally just get nothing. We do end up getting this Trump wick at 10:31, but as you can see, just very poor delivery, and we don't really get anything from there. Data low is still intact, so we'll see if we hit that later in the session or in like PM. But in terms of trades of the day, I do think if you were able to get in on this short on ES, but yeah, it is what it is. I wasn't able to capitalize on that. I do like this 3-minute continuation short in line with um, the current short-term bearish bias, and then I do like this again. I was just being a bit hesitant from ES, but yeah, not the greatest delivery, but there was some opportunity for sure. But that's it for me, guys. Let me know what you guys took today if you took any trades, and we'll be back at it tomorrow. I'll talk to you guys then. Peace.